Have you ever wondered why the poor are poor and why the rich are rich? And what are differences between these two? I'm gonna share with you what the real game of money is. Yes, money is a field of game, and rich people are the only professionals at playing it. That's why poor people are getting poorer and rich people are getting richer. That's why we're here, sharing you the top 10 rules of money, while saving money won't make you rich. Welcome to Wealthy Wisely channel. Today I'm gonna show you the top 10 rules of money to become rich and successful. Have you ever thought about the secret of successful people? How did they make it possible to be their place today? Here it is. The rule number 1, a yes mindset. Dare to be bold and try to get out of your comfort zone. Open a business, don't let your dreams just stay as dreams. Just like what Richard Branson said, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Learn to adopt that mindset. Have the mindset of challenging yourself to really become the person who you want to be. Because for you to become rich and successful, you have to have the right mindset. Followed with rule number 2. Have a plan of action. If you want to be wealthy, you are going to need a very well and detailed plan. You are going to need budget management that you can stick with for the long haul. Also, bonus tip about having an action plan. For you to know if you are going to succeed or fail, you have to study history. Not the history of when your country gets free nor colonized, but the history of the business you are doing and you're going to do. You have to know the plot and timeline of the field you are into, for you to track the things if it will be a downfall or a success. Rule number 3, step by step, ferociously. You probably know the most wealthiest person in the world, Jeff Bezos. His space company, Blue Origin, has a motto which is translated in English as step by step, ferociously. It just basically means that you cannot skip steps in life, putting one foot in front of another slowly. Those things really take time and effort. It doesn't have any shortcuts, because life is like going upstairs. If you skip steps, there's a high risk of falling. But if it does happen, here comes the rule number 4, bounce back. In life, things will not always go as planned. Failure is so normal. People fail all the time, so accept failure as it is an important part for success. So, when it happens, never give up, and remember this bounce back rule, that if you fail or get tripped, bounce back quickly and keep on fighting. Rule number 5, work smarter, not harder. I know you have been hearing this for many times, but trust me, working smarter, not harder is one of the most important keys to success. Get clear on your goals and know what your passion really is. Know first the things that you really loved and give it a serious focus. Then make it as your passive income. Making and earning a healthy income could be as easy as 1, 2, 3 if you're working hard enough and putting in yourself to work for long hours. But then one of the successful person's secret is diversifying your wealth building portfolio to earn passively through the things that you enjoy. For example, if you love writing a book, do it and publish it. Or if you love teaching with no fixed time, teach online with your preferred price. And by that, you can use that to invest and start being an investor of your own business. And if you guys have more ideas or experience on working smarter, not harder, share with us and comment down below. Rule number 6, savers are losers. This is the most awaited part of this video. And it is the sad truth that we are all blinded about. Have you ever noticed that bankers do not ask for your student report card? It is because the bankers don't want to know if you are smart or if you have an award at school or what. The bankers only want to know if you have money. But have you ever noticed that what the bankers really want to know is how much you can borrow? The sad truth is, the bigger you borrow, the bigger the banks will love you. Because the bigger you save, the bigger you can borrow, and the bigger and bigger you get to pay the interest. So again, think smarter, not harder. Rule number 7, the golden rule. Only spend less than you earn. We all know that this thing is the most basic part of money management. Yet, a lot of us are failing to do it. Why and how? Because poor people are lack of. Rule number 8, self-control. A lot of poor people don't have this. They tend to spend more and more and not caring about it since they have a debit card, credit card, and etc. Without even realizing that they are already drowning and swimming in a pool of debt, making them more and more poor. Or sometimes they don't use a debit card or credit card, but the moment they get their payrolls, their phones are full of their online shopping wish list and pending parcel delivery, leaving them empty-handed. Rule number 9, grow your money. Instead of wasting money on unnecessary things and stuff, use it and try some investment products such as trading, affiliated marketing, or buy a small unit of house and rent some bed space to other people. And by that, you can earn money while you are sleeping. Rule number 10, take care of yourself. If you want to become a successful person, you have to take care of yourself. Stay physically and mentally fit and try to imitate the person you want to be. Because success truly starts at yourself. And because we really love you guys, we have a bonus tip on striving this game of money. Mainly, do it because you want to do it for yourself, not because that's what others want you to. Next, do not be lazy, because after all, it's for yourself. And lastly, for you to be able to be really successful in money and business, believe in yourself. I hope you enjoy our video today, and also if you have any video suggestions and any questions about rules of money, comment down below and I will try to answer them. If you are seriously interested in becoming rich, and that's all for today. If you really liked our video, I hope you smash that like button and subscribe button. And also, don't forget to click that little notification bell and be updated to our upcoming video. Bye bye.